Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use the color of black and now we draw capital letter alphabets A. First we draw A. Kids, subscribe to our channel. A for apple. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg. F for fish. Kids, now we draw G. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. I for eyes. Now we draw the letter of J. And the next one is K. Now we draw L. L for lemon. Kids, now we draw M. M for mango. Now we draw N. And the next one is O. O for octopus. The next one is P. P for parrot. And now we draw the letter of Q. Q for queen. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the letter of Q. And the next one is R. R for rice. And the next one is S. S for snake. The next one is T. T for teacher. Now we draw U. U for umbrella. And the next one is V. V for van. The next one is W. Now we draw X. And the next one is Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we use the color of blue. Now we draw the number of 1. Kids, subscribe to our channel. O-N-E-1. And the next one is 2. The next one is 3. And now we draw the number of 4. F-O-U-R. 4. The next one is 5. We again use blue color. And now we draw 6. S-I-X, 6. Kids, the next one is 7. Now we draw the number of 8. The next one is 9. N-I-N-E, 9. The last one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.